So we're in Krka National Park here in Croatia. Right now we are in Skradinska. I'm not sure that's how you say it, but that's my best attempt. We are just on our way down to the port here to take the boat up to see some amazing waterfalls. Just bought boat tickets, or it's actually a ticket entry into the national park. So the next boat goes in 25 minutes. So we're going to wait here by the port. The waterfall is absolutely beautiful. It looks unreal, like it's fake, but it's not. Look at it. So pretty. Look how clear the water is. It's so clear, it's just like a window. I want to swim, but unfortunately it's not allowed, and the water is probably pretty cold. Now we're just walking upwards up the waterfall, and at the top there is a different boat that goes at 2 o'clock, which is in half an hour, and we are going with that boat further into the park and seeing everything that we can just in this one day. Ugh, exciting. Loud. I don't know if you can hear it. You probably can. But it's very loud. Probably tons and tons of water running through here with massive amount of power. And the water is crystal clear, so you can see small fish everywhere. There is loads and loads of quacking here. And at first I thought it was ducks, but there's no ducks here, so it must be frogs. I hope I can spot one. Can you hear it? It's loud. There must be so many. Why can I not see a single one? I can see one. I saw one. They are kind of brownish. I'll see if I can capture it with my camera. The first boat that we took was 110 kuna per person. 100 kuna to enter the park and 10 kuna for the boat. So the second boat cost us 100 kuna per person, which is about 13 euros. It's gonna take us 2 hours to get to the end and then take us all the way back here. I'm hungry. I brought lunch, but I need to eat it before we get on the boat. Jeremy ate before we left, but I'm starving. We need to go and catch the boat. Almost there, and it's only 5 minutes until the boat leaves. Cutting it fine. One of the people working here is now going to show us around this little island and tell us about the history. Ducks!
The highest waterfall is to the north. And Skadinski Bug, they are the biggest. Even here?
I'm going to walk through the church. It says no photo, so I'll put my camera down. Pick it up again on the way out. This is private. Trying to find our way out. Nice little inner garden. So that is the church tower that you can see in all the photos. When you see the little island, you see the top. I think. I thought the little top was orange. Maybe there's another top here. But it's pretty here. They gave us half an hour to explore until the boat goes back. And half an hour goes rather quickly. Now it's just 5 minutes left. We saw a peacock over here, trying to impress a lady. Some ducks or something. Little boathouse. There's loads of chickens. There's a nice garden over here. That one there is the female peacock, which is not a peacock, I don't know what it's called. But I don't know where he is. I found him back over there. I'm not sure if you can see him. He looks grumpy. It's time for us to head back. Take the boat back, go back to the waterfall and take the boat back to Skridin. A very good day here at Krka National Park. 100% recommend.